Okay, this shape was done a few minutes ago. I'm just going to throw a couple more blasts on it and see if the color gets enhanced or if it just stays the same. So I'm just playing around right now. I'll get it on a little thicker. You can see it kind of cloudy right there, and it'll flash real quick. Here it comes. That's the chrome we're looking for, that reflective chrome where it's like a mirror. That, I'm not doing that. See it flashing? Does it show it? See, it's still working on it right there, but on the edges on it, it's dry.
Don't touch it.
No touchy?
Let it sit there so you can see how it does it.
Yeah. And that one over there, and enough for that one. Which one should I do? I should do that one over there, right? Then compare it with this one. Okay. Almost flashed. It's been about a minute. That chrome looks a lot better. If this was buffed out and really nicely and smooth with a good base coat that was prepped properly, it would be very shiny. It was unfortunately sent to me this way, and because they're so soft and pliable, there's not much you can do with them, and I didn't even want to mess with it, so I just wanted to see the color pop. As you can see, it's just got a little bit of flash right here. It's starting to finish it all the way out. I have that air. It's in here. Just trying to think of where it's at. Okay. I'm gonna shut that